Have you ever heard of tools and equipment that you thought was too good to be true? Well, if so, this list that we have for you today will be a mind blower. We have fresh, innovative designs of pieces of equipment for outdoor and indoor play, machinery that makes processes seem seamless, and tools that you simply cannot live without. You have not lived until you've tried one of these. Let's get started. Zorb. This Zorb ball may be all the therapy you need for a lifetime. Picture yourself inside this transparent orb being rolled downhill. Being an extreme sport, Zorb is loved by adventurers and anyone looking to have a great time. Zorb is 100% safe, thanks to the unique design and setup of the orb. This orb is made from two spheres, one as an inner layer and another outer layer. The gap between the sphere layers is filled with air, which means those inside do not feel the ground's direct effect. The water inside the inner layer of the orb makes for great sliding fun. In the city of Rustenburg in New Zealand, you will find the largest Zorb track located anywhere in the world. Even though the sport is outside and not mainly automated, you can choose how difficult or easy you would like your experience to be, depending on the track you want to ride on. Choose how steep, sloped, or how straight you would like your route to be. Summer Gemel. A bobsled, but for the summertime. This unique vehicle you are looking at offers you the feel and look of a sleigh, with the big difference being that it is ideal and well suited for summertime. The adventure would provide its rider a front seat to the fresh air and beautiful views. Find this adventure with 3 wheels in Grindelwald, Switzerland. The slope you're looking at is a 6-kilometer route that offers the best scenery in Switzerland. From the lush green grass to towering mountain peaks, the Summer Gemel will allow you to see it all. Chippo. How is your aim? Because this sure looks like fun. Similar to a golf game, Chippo is excellent entertainment that costs approximately $152 US. This activity is perfect for game night, as it is simple enough for anyone to understand. Forget going to miniature golfing courses. Get a Chippo and have entertainment for hours at your fingertips. While the batting clubs are not included in this set, however you have to buy them separately. Chippo come with slope platforms, green chipping mats, and 3 bulbs as seen here. This game is excellent for indoor and outdoor plays and is an easy way to have hours of fun with the entire family. Young, old, big or small can enjoy Chippo and participate in the family fun. Bread packaging machines. Crackers, anyone? If you have always wanted to know how a bakery functions, then look no further. Apika Automation, a manufacturing company based in Finland, has created machinery which allows full automation of the entire bakery process. Just look at how much this machine can do. Each of these machines was designed to function in a specific way, and each function brings the process closer to completion. This machine can package up to 45 products simultaneously every 60 seconds. The equipment you are looking at includes slicers, scales, packers, and sealers. What more would you want from an automated bakery system? Not much, as this machine does it all. Apika Automation has really come up with an ingenious idea that will save companies thousands of dollars. Amul Chocolate. Okay, Now, onto everyone's favorite treat, chocolate. Amul is India's most significant chocolate factory. From the de-seeding process to the melting, molding, and packaging, Amul has a considerable part to play in the chocolate manufacturing process. While we enjoy these treats, we do not sometimes stop to wonder how exactly were these treats created. In this video, you will see the step-to-step process of these products and appreciate these excellent tools that help to make them for distribution. One has to acknowledge just how much work is placed in the creation of the treats and snacks we love so much. While for many years they have been produced by manual labor, having a machine that functions like a mule certainly saves time and money and gets the job done a whole lot faster. QUADSAW. Hey, hold up, we are not quite finished yet. The QUADSAW, as the name suggests, can cut things into 4, square, rectangle, or whatever size quad you may need. Whether you need a rectangular or square shaped on your drywall, QUADSAW is perfect for you. Designed by Mr. Michael Sabato as a square hole cutter, these tools make life a lot easier than using a knife to a regular saw. Add this tool to your power drill, adjust your blades to your suiting, and you are good to go. These tiny tools save time and limit the waste of material. These handy tools are excellent for final touch-ups, perfect cuts, and more. Never worry about cutting the wires again or cutting an unequal square or rectangle. With the QUADSAW, you are good to go. Be sure to try it out and let us know what you think. Camo Drive. Look at what we have here. Whether you are a professional or not, you will love Camo Drive. No more annoying work, bending on your knees, and damaging your back. With Camo Drive, you can work without feeling like you are actually working. This tool is ideal for those who have to work on wood floors, but is not limited to wooden floors. Camo Drive, created and developed by Camo Fasteners, can work on any type of floor. This tool will increase productivity up to 5 times, all while standing up. And the best news is that Camo Drive only costs $170 US. Attach Camo Drive to any model of drill, and you are ready to get started. Remember, it is easy and convenient to use, but be sure to take care. Let us see what is next. Brush Grubber. Last on our list, but by no means least, is the Brush Grubber. Remove rocks, trees, brushes, and obstacles from your construction sites with this tool. The Brush Grubber allows you to eliminate any unwanted elements in your garden and around the house. Operators need to expel little to no effort to get the grubber working, as it thought of that. Pluck out plants from the roots up and prepare your space for what you want planted. And the surprising cost of this tool is only $85 US. If you are always doing this type of work, then you should try out the Brush Grubber. You may love the outcome. It is always a pleasure to have you stop by. Please give this video a thumbs up and always share and subscribe so others can enjoy it too. And you can be updated when a new video comes out. See you in the next video. Cheers!